It's so pretty, it's so fluffy. Look at this, ooh la la, guys, slime swirl. Ooh, nice slime swirl. And now I'm gonna make the smiley face. It's gonna be the best smiley face you've ever seen in the century. Here we go. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Janice and I'm Kingston. So Dad, what kind of challenge are we doing today?
Today, you have to turn a simple slime into a cartoon character.
Ooh, which cartoon character?
I will let you know later. But first of all, let me show you the slime.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Boom!
Ooh, this slime is so amazing. It's kind of glossy and it's also pink. Yeah, guys, I love the color of this slime. It's so glossy, so pokey, so stretchy. I love this slime.
Yeah, the slime is already amazing, but I want you to make it even more prettier. All right, let me send you the picture. Boom. You got it?
Ooh, it's a Patrick Star slime from SpongeBob. Guys, I got the picture, and it's so detailed. Look at the mouth, guys. I don't think I can do this. It's not detailed at all. All there is a pink starfish, some pants, some eyeballs, some eyebrows, and a mouth. That's so simple, Janice. You think that's hard? But before we begin, we have a challenge for you. We want to see if you can smash the subscribe button in 5 seconds. You ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Did you subscribe? If you didn't, make sure to do it now. Also, make sure to go check out our other channel, Kingston Gaming and Janice Gaming, where we do other amazing content such as Roblox, Minecraft, and more. Make sure to go check it out. Alright guys, to make this Patrick Star slime, I'm gonna get black clay for the mouth and the eyebrows. I also need some shaving cream because I want to make the slime fluffy. And also, I'm going to get some blue food coloring to make it in like the sea. And I'm also gonna grab some ducks just in case because I'm gonna make it in the sea. Alright guys, I got all my ingredients. Let's get out. Alright guys, in order to make Patrick, the first thing I'm gonna get is some shaving cream because the skin tone is a bit too dark and I kind of want it to be a bit lighter. Then also I'm gonna get some googly eyes for the eyes. I'm so excited guys, this is like my favorite part. And then let's get some yellow glitter for its underpants. Let's get the gold glitter, this huge gold glitter from its underwear. And then the underwear also has some specks of blue. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna get the blue clay. Alright guys, I think I got everything I need. Let's go. Alright, so we got everything we need. Now let's begin the challenge. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is to add some shaving cream to make the slime fluffy because everyone knows fluffy slime is amazing. I'm gonna cover this up and squish it. Ooh, that feels so nice. It's like a cloud. And I'm also gonna put shaving cream because of the color. This color is kind of bland, so we're just gonna put a little bit. Ooh, okay, that's good. And let's mix it. I hope it turns out lighter. Ooh, guys, look how satisfying that is. It's such a pretty pink, guys. Okay, I think I'm winning. I think I will be winning. Alright guys, so I put all my shaving cream into my slime. It's very light pink. Now I'm gonna rip off a chunk of it to create the water because Patrick lives under the sea, and add some blue food coloring to it. I'm gonna add 1 tiny drop since this is a small amount of slime. Alright guys, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna separate the slime into 2 parts. But guys, look at this slime. It's so pretty, it's so fluffy. Look at this. Ooh la la, guys, slime swirl. Ooh, nice slime swirl. Okay, so we're gonna separate into 2 parts for the feet. So 1 tiny, these 2 are gonna be right here. And now we're gonna shape Patrick. Okay, now let's shape it. So it's kind of like an ovally shape, like not that ovally. He has like a fat butt. So we're just gonna make it like this. And then there's like a little tail like this. Ooh! Now let's add the feet. They're like ovals. Ooh, guys, check this out. This is very beautiful. And then the next feet. Ooh, guys. Okay, this is turning out very well. This is my base of Patrick. He has no eyes, no face yet, but you know, we're working on it. All right, guys, I finished with my boo slime. It looks very, very nice. Now it's time to make the shape of Patrick. So Patrick, as I remember, he's like a little oval like this with a little point at the top. And then I'm also gonna create the feet, not like Janice. It's not like a little oval. It's supposed to be like a little mini rounded triangle, just like this, all right? And then for the arms, you go like this, like that. Very good. Now it's time to make like the ocean around him. So I'm gonna put like blue over here on his feet, and I'm gonna put blue over here around here, and then I'm gonna put blue around his other arm, and then put blue around his head. I'm also gonna create like a little space over here for the ducky, cause why not? And now it's time to make his face. So I'm gonna get a little bit of black clay, make it into an eyeball, and then poop it right there. And then I'm gonna get another chunk of black clay, make it into an eyeball, and poop it right there. Oh no, it's falling apart. All right, that's good. And I'm gonna make a little nose. I'm gonna make a teeny tiny nose just like that. And then I'm gonna make the smiley face. It's gonna be the best smiley face you've ever seen in the century. Here we go. All right, Kingston's master smiley face is done. All right, now you gotta place it over here. And there we go. My Patrick is finished. Hooray! Alright guys, Kingston's Patrick looks very ugly. I'm not gonna look at that. But now I'm going to put the googly eyes on his face so he could finally have eyes. Okay, so Patrick's eyes are like really stuck together. So I'm gonna put one right here, and we have to put another one like really close to it. Ooh, oh my god guys, that's kind of creepy, but you know, that's very fine. Okay, now we have to make his underwear with some yellow. So we're gonna get some yellow and glitter, and we're just gonna make his underwear. Ooh guys, look at his underwear. It's so cool and gold and pretty. Okay, that is beautiful. That is his underwear. Now on his underwear, there's like patterns, and they're blue. So I'm gonna use the blue clay, and I'm gonna put that type of patterns on it. Here, we're gonna put one right here, and then he has multiple, but we're just gonna put two because we're running out of space. There we go, we're gonna squish it in just like that. Okay, oh wait, we need arms. Okay, so we're just gonna make the arms like this, just like so. And he's gonna be holding an eyeball, guys, right here. He's gonna hold another eyeball. He just got SpongeBob's eye. Okay, now let's make the mouth. We're gonna make a teeny little smiley face. Oh, Patrick is so cute. It's like the mini cartoon version of Patrick, guys. And now the finishing touches, we are gonna be putting some eyebrows on him. Oh, guys, he's so cute. He's like a munchkin. Okay, the last eyebrow. There we go, guys. This is my Patrick star. It's amazing. It looks just like the picture, guys. We should see this in a cartoon one day.
All right, guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, show me your slime, Kingston.
This is my slime.
I
made it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's like an evil Patrick. Look at the eyebrows. He's smiling. He's evil.
Show me some ASMR, Kingston.
All right, let me take the ducky out. Shish.
Ooh, nice
Very
texture.
nice. And look, I'm gonna do a slime swirl. It's gonna look very, very nice. Oh no. There we go. Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, not bad. Definitely A+ for texture.
And there's...
But you know what?
What?
You only got a C- for prettiness.
Why?
Because Patrick's supposed to be very cute.
It's evil, that's
and you
why.
make it very evil. I don't like it.
It's supposed to be evil.
Okay, now try to make a slime bubble.
Alright. Fail. I made a mini one. Mini one.
And now C minus
No,
for
mini bubble.
slime skill.
Oh, come
So
on.
you got 1 A plus and 2 C minus.
Haha, Kingston. Get
Alright, Janice, show me your slime.
So, Dad, this is the cutest. I know, right? It's so cute.
So you turn that plain pink slime
Into this.
into this. Wow, look at that. Ooh, compare.
This one's way better,
This
Dad.
one is even better than this one.
Yeah.
Nicely done, Janice. Definitely A plus for presentation.
Yeah, get that, Kingston. You hear that? A plus.
Okay, let me touch it.
Very glittery.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're stretching his arm. Be careful.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, very nice.
Yes.
The texture is amazing. I give you another A plus for texture.
Yeah, hear that, Kingston.
Okay, show me some ASMR, Janice.
Okay, ASMR time. Look at the glitters. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at this
Nice.
gold glitter, everyone.
Okay, try to make a slime swirl.
Slime swirl,
Okay,
easy.
in 3,
Ah!
2, and 1, go! Wow! Look at that! Amazing!
Amazing.
Another A plus for slime skills!
Yes, thank you, Dad. Thank you
Woo!
very
So you
much.
got 3 A plus, and you only got 1 A plus. Kingston's the winner is Janice!
I win. Haha, Kingston, look at that. Oh, I don't care. My Patrick is better. Anyways, look at that beautiful cookies and cream slime. I name it cookies and cream now. Guys, make sure to comment on our Instagram #KaveJanice if you think I won because it's so married and it's purple. Look at Kingston, it's so black and brown. Yeah, but before it was evil Patrick. Comment down below #Team Kingston if you like my evil Patrick. Very evil. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, remember to like,